Right Capital Review. Is it worth it? So Right Capital is a modern cloud-based financial planning platform geared toward advisors, offering robust tools for retirement, tax, cash flow, and estate planning, wrapped in an intuitive, client-friendly interface. So its pros is it is widely trusted in the industry. It has holding a position among top tools. It is also rapidly growing adoption and has high satisfaction. It also has an intuitive user interface and seamless client collaboration. It also offers comprehensive features for all the planning needs. It offers advanced modeling tools including Monte Carlo simulations, tax planning, budget tracking, goal-based and cash flows planning, estate planning as well, and social security integration. The also downsides though is it has a user interface which lacks refinement, so you need to consider its cons. It also has some reporting and customization which are limited, and they have a modeling quirk and technical limitations. And the prices may be too high for solo or very small advisors. So in summary, is Ride Capital worth it? Well, yes, it is worth it, especially for financial advisors or independent planners who want a modern, well-rounded tool that balances power with ease of use. It's especially effective for incorporating clients in real-time planning sessions.